Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy video. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. So basically, we had a break-even day. Not a break-even day in terms of me taking a trade. I didn't take a trade today, so I sat on my hands today. Really, it was nothing I really wanted to, that I felt very confident in taking today at all. Let's start off with dollar, right? So dollar, I was already bearish on dollar, right? I wanted to see dollar go lower, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and take out that previous weekly low, right? That was the plan. Like I'm bearish dollar, so I was bullish EU and I was bullish GU, right? But we are very close to what the fuck going on? We are very close to the previous weekly, well, not previous weekly high, this high right here. So we are very close to this high. Yeah, I did have this inefficiency right here that I was looking forward to trading. Coming into 9 o'clock Monday. I mean, it's a no news Monday. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know, you'll have Monday move when there's like high impact news towards the end of the week. Which we have like what is it? Let me go and show you guys. What the fuck? Gotta go to it, man. Fuck. All right, so we got this week. You have okay, so you got fat Waller speeds. No, nobody give a fuck about them. You got exports, imports on Tuesday, right? So that, I mean, tomorrow might give something, but you do have Euro CPI. You do have USD core retail sales on Wednesday. And you also have also have Powell speaking, all right, which it might be a little choppy before he starts speaking, knowing these type of market conditions and what's been going on, right? So, and people want to know about monetary policy and all that bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So they gonna be waiting on him. So it might be a little choppy during this day, and the Thursday is probably most likely gonna be the cleanest day. But looking at Monday, I wanted to see, I was trying to get a move on Monday, see if something was there, but you know, my rules kept me out. We did raid higher on GU, and then we did have a drop during 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock, yeah, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We had a drop here right into this hourly inefficiency. But my drawn liquidity was this high. It didn't really give me the setup that I was looking for GU. EU as well, you can already look at EU. It doesn't seem, whenever I see hourly range and hourly ranging, I really don't like to trade within that hourly range, because with my data, I take a lot more losses when I'm trying to trade inside of an hourly range, or grab an entry inside of an hourly range instead of waiting for external range liquidity to be swept out and then start looking for higher. You do have a daily fair value gap right here. This range is inefficient right here. All right, so I do want to see some type of retracement into maybe Monday might close, and we have this FEG right here, and then I'll look for a trade under Monday's low to start targeting the previous weekly high. So that was my plan. That's my plan, right? Not really a buy setup today, and then I was really focused on indices today, right? So looking at indices, we have previous weekly high here, and then we have previous weekly low. I am bearish on indices. I don't like, with everything that's going on with the news and terror. There's no trade agreement. There's no until the Fed, like I said, until the Fed steps in with monetary and maybe drop lowering interest rates. You know, I don't really see this shit going higher, and I still feel like the stock market is gonna go lower. That's just what I feel. But price action does have to show me, right? But I do not trust none of these fucking lows. Like I've been saying, I don't trust these lows at all. What I do want to see, okay, we did come back into new week opening gap, right? I do want to see us try to get at least up to the previous weekly high, right, before we start running lower. Maybe we don't. I mean, there's really no SMT with these highs right here, so I don't really trust this high as a long-term high. Maybe we run that. I do want to see previous weekly high taken. Also, when you look at ES, you have this drop right here. So let's go to the 4-hour. You have this drop right here, and there's no up close body that went through here. So this is inefficient from this low to this candle's high right here. All of that's inefficient. there, so I want to see price at least come up and offer that up close body, and maybe NQ might give a little SMT, I don't know, but I do want to see this previous weekly highs ran and then start turning lower. It may not do that, I don't know. We'll see how the rest of this week is gonna go. But when you look at today's price action, yes, it was a clean sell today, but I sat on my hands because it's not what I wanted to see, right? It's not something that I was very confident in. It wasn't like a light bulb type of thing. So I don't know why replay trading is here, but just to show you, I didn't touch the account, right? Still at 2100. I also have a this is TFT, right? So I'm trading a Forex, also a Forex prop firm challenge right now, right? 50K account. So yeah, you can see I'm down $25. Is because I was testing the lot sizes with US 100, see how much the lot sizes were in the euro, if you know what I mean, just testing it, right? So yeah, we lost $25. So yeah, basically a losing day, you know what I'm saying? But like we still straight, you know what I'm saying? We still straight. But a little $25. But yeah, so basically price ran up, right? We ran up into new week opening gap high. We didn't take our previous high, but we did make this efficient, this range right here, this high right here, delivering the up close body, right? So from here to here is efficient, right? We came up into a order block right here, and then we started displacing lower, expanding lower into the new week opening gap range, which I don't know why this is here. Actually, I do know why this is here. I was trying to get the bodies there, right? The bodies there. So you look at the bodies, boom, we put some down close bodies inside of here. Now hopefully we could give this up close body, and this range will be efficient. But yeah, so I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, this was a nice delivery. If you look at the delivery, right, we ran out this high, well, this candle at Sunday, right? New week opening gap high, created an order block, right? Gave a break of structure, change of state of delivery. We came all the way up, right? Created buy side liquidity, gave its first reaction here. Early sellers got in, started getting in, probably started getting in here, putting their stops above this up close candle. And then you can see that we ran that there, and then during the 1050 to 1110 macro, we had a nice run lower. Yeah, no, I'm saying a nice run lower, right? Which is a clean delivery, but I would have rather seen this happen up here, right? That's what I would have rather seen, and then leave this open for my draw on liquidity. You got Asia low, got new week opening gap, consequent encroachment is somewhere inside of the middle part right here, like somewhere right there. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. And you know, ES did the same thing, a little bit more high resistant than NQ, because you can see that we came up and gave a complete feel of that inefficiency. But this one, okay, this one did, but it didn't come all the way up here, right? But yeah, but I sat on my hands. I wasn't confident. Oh, we also had SMT with YM as well. All right, so that's something significant, but it's just it wasn't at the right PD array, and it wasn't at the right time. I mean, it was at the right time, but not at the right PD array that I was looking at, right? So yeah, time then price, right? Time was there, but my price was not there. You know what I'm saying? So but yeah, so we didn't lose no money, we didn't make no money today. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but yeah, so if you guys enjoyed that little breakdown, well, before I finish, what I am looking for the rest of the week is I don't fucking know. Yeah, know what I'm saying? But I want to see if, like I said, we run the previous weekly high. If we start closing through certain PD arrays, then maybe we might not get up into that high. Maybe we just deliver to these lows and shit. But you know, like I said, you got all that high impact news coming midweek, around midweek. Tomorrow you got okay medium impact news, but it ain't no like real crazy fucking news driver that's gonna like send price to the fucking moon or like anything like that, or manipulate like crazy. Yeah, not understand. But like you know, yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm just let price section. I'm gonna let price show me. Right now I have no fucking clue. I want to see it raid some type of more significant buy side liquidity. For EU, my plan with EU and GU is maybe we give another run lower for tomorrow. I don't know, maybe we hold this this range right here. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, maybe we could come down one more time. Right? Maybe we could come down one more time and give a down close candle somewhere inside of here, trade above that down close candle, maybe start going higher. EU, I want to see, definitely want to see EU get out of this hourly range, and then maybe we start going for previous week high, right? Because that is my draw right now. If we hit that draw, then I have to kind of like sit on my hands and kind of be smooth, you know what I'm saying? Be smooth, be chill. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the motherfucking channel, subscribe to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? And share the video. It kind of helps. It kind of helps my channel grow. If you comment, like, subscribe, comment, do all of that, man. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, man. Give me some support, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.